What's up, everyone? This is your host, Henry, as always, and thanks for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you smack that like button, subscribe if you're new, click that notification bell, check out my description below, and go follow me on my social medias, and check out my merch store, and go pick you up some stickers, and I got other things on there, hoodies and mugs and all kinds of stuff on there. Anyway, we're gonna get into this. Alright, should you take your gold and silver, like your full stack of gold and silver, in a SHTF scenario, if shit's hitting the fan and you gotta bug out, you got like an hour to bug out, should you take your full stack? My answer to that question is no. A, you cannot eat gold and silver. B, you want to take your more important stuff like your food, you know, water, medicine, prescription medicine, shelter, tents, stuff like that with you. You can take your metals, but they are very heavy, guys. So what you can do to counteract that weight in silver, especially, is to sell most of it before it goes down, liquidate it into fractional gold, like what you see on that Geiger there, and that. What I mean by fractional gold is 1 gram, 2 gram, 5 gram, 1/10 ounce of gold, and probably some 1/4 ounce of gold. Not too much. 1 ounce and a half ounce, you won't get a fair trade unless it's like a piece of land or something. Anyway, you want to do that, guys. You also can leave, if you really love silver and if you got a full stack, there's a big chance that you will be leaving at least half of that stack. If you got like 1,000 ounces of silver, that's very, very, very heavy, guys. That's very heavy. You probably will only be able to take half of that, if that, guys. And if you have a mixture of gold, obviously you take your gold with you. And yeah, guys, like this is not gonna be a long video. Let me know in the comments below if you guys, what would you guys take with you? I mean, this is just my opinion, so take it for a grain of salt. This is what I would do, if I had a big stack, which I don't have a big stack, so I can take everything with me if I got to bug out and go. And yeah, like I'm definitely enjoying stacking as a whole. Silver is very beautiful, gold is too, but it won't be worth anything, guys, between SHTF in 6 months. It's not gonna be worth anything. People is gonna be wanting other things from you, to barter with, like seeds, ammo, guns, which I wouldn't barter that for obvious reasons. Or your time to help them out with stuff. Build a community, and then that's when you'll see a new currency system, and that's going to include precious metals, gold, silver, or copper, even though it's not a precious metal, it's an industrial metal, but it might turn into a precious metal, who knows? And you will start to see that, and then that's when you can do your trades and whatnot. And because, guys, you gotta think about it. Precious metals has always been a thing since the dawn of man. The dawn of man. And we still use them to this day. Now we use them in spaceships and missiles and cars, especially cars. Those your catalytic converters take a lot of silver, and it takes gold as well. And yeah, like we use these metals for a bunch of stuff, guys. So with that saying, um, off topic, I think the cost of silver and gold and copper is going to start to go up and up and up because we're going to burn all that up into the stuff that I just mentioned. All that's going to get used up, and it's going to be less and less and less and less, and that means the prices is going to start to go up. So, and all in all, will shit ever hits? Will it go down? Who knows? Like there's a war that's going on, and There's a lot that's going on in the country, guys. Unless you live under a rock, then it's not too late for you to prep. You know, if you want to include precious metals, you can. The reason why I'm stacking, because I'm comfortable with the amount of preps that I have, but I'm still prepping. I'm still getting beans and rice too, guys. I'm still getting all that. It's cheap for right now. Yes, the price has went up on that a little bit, but it's still cheap. And you should do the same thing, because people need to realize that normalcy isn't coming anytime soon, guys. We're in a damn recession. We're probably gonna be in a Great Depression pretty soon, and time is running out for you guys. If you're not prepared, don't be expecting no one to help your ass. No one's going to help you. Now here I'll go with these rants, but no one is going to help you. I'm sorry, but I'm not. You're a grown adult. You need to pay attention to see what's going on, and you need to prepare, because it's coming, guys. It's coming. If World War III don't happen, something else is going to happen. Great Depression is going to happen. It's going to be bad compared to what, but the first Great Depression is going to be way worse, because there's a lot more of us, and we rely on our technology way too much. We don't have any survival skills, and a lot of city slickers are going to die. A lot of people's going to die of starvation and stuff like that. But having precious metals is a plus, because you can, turn it into fake money again and get more preps. It's a savings account, guys, as well. I stack for SHTF, and I stack for, in case I gotta liquidate it into cash before I can pay some bills or get some more preps. And I love it. It's very addictive. Like, look how beautiful these look. Like, I never thought I was going to be a stacker. I never thought I was going to be a prepper, and I never thought that we would be on the verge of World War III. I know you guys, are thinking the same. But sorry about my rant, guys. I love to rant about stuff, because why not? It needs to be talked about. I don't care what no one gotta say. It needs to be talked about. People need to wake up and smell that coffee, and do what you gotta do to survive. Because it's not rainbows and kittens in this society. It's not. And you got to do what you got to do. But other than that, guys, like I said, let me know in the comments below about, that the main topic, and also my rant. I appreciate, the feedback and whatnot. If you guys think nothing's never going to happen, just say, oh, you're just a crazy, guy, just let me know in the comments on y'all's thoughts. And but other than that, like I said, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you smack that like button again, subscribe if you're new. I appreciate that, and welcome to the channel. I appreciate everyone for tuning in, and just hearing me out, listening to my opinions and thoughts and my rants. And other than that, I hope you guys stay safe, be aware of your surroundings, get prepared, carry a gun. I don't want to mix that up. Start stacking. And as always, have a nice day.